Portable Charger Showdown, Anker vs RAVPower. Title: Portable Charger Showdown, Anker vs RAVPower. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, our dependence on electronic devices is ever increasing. Whether we're traveling, working, or simply going about our daily lives, staying connected is essential. This is where portable chargers come in, offering a convenient solution to keep our devices fueled up on the go. In this article, we will delve into a head-to-head comparison of two prominent players in the portable charger market, Anker and RAVPower. Anker, power that's reliable. Anker, founded in 2011, has built a solid reputation for providing reliable and innovative charging solutions. They offer a wide range of portable chargers that cater to different needs and budgets. One of the standout features of Anker products is their Power IQ technology. This feature intelligently identifies and delivers the fastest possible charging speed for each connected device. With Anker, you can be confident in having dependable power wherever you go. RAVPower, power that packs a punch. RAVPower is another popular brand that has gained traction in the portable charger market. Established in 2011, RAVPower has consistently focused on delivering high-quality and powerful charging solutions. Like Anker, RAVPower boasts advanced technologies such as iSmart. This feature automatically detects and adjusts the charging speed to maximize efficiency. With RAVPower, you can expect a reliable companion for all your charging needs. Design and build quality. When it comes to portable chargers, design and build quality play a significant role in ensuring a long-lasting and functional product. Anker prides itself on creating sleek and robust chargers that are visually appealing and durable. Their chargers often feature a matte finish, providing a pleasant tactile experience. RAVPower, on the other hand, also offers portable chargers with solid build quality. While the design may not be as streamlined as Anker's, RAVPower's chargers are rugged and withstand the test of time. Charging capacity and speed. The most crucial aspect of a portable charger is its charging capacity and speed. Anker offers a wide range of chargers with varying capacities, ranging from 5,000 mAh to a whopping 2600 mAh. Their Power Core series, in particular, is known for providing multiple charges to devices like smartphones and tablets. Furthermore, Anker chargers equipped with power delivery technology can even charge laptops and other power-hungry devices. RAVPower, too, offers a diverse lineup of chargers featuring different capacities, ensuring there is something for everyone. Their Ace series stands out for its high-capacity chargers that are perfect for extended trips or charging multiple devices simultaneously. RAVPower chargers also deliver impressive charging speed, enabling quick top-ups on the go. Features and compatibility. Both Anker and RAVPower understand the importance of catering to the diverse needs of users. Anker chargers often include a range of innovative features such as pass-through charging, LED power indicators, and multiple USB ports. Additionally, some models even come with built-in flashlights, making them an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. RAVPower chargers are equally packed with useful features. Many models incorporate built-in safety measures to prevent overcharging, short-circuiting, and other potential hazards. The inclusion of LED indicator lights and a handy power button adds to the user experience. Both brands offer compatibility with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, cameras, and more. Value for money. When comparing Anker and RAVPower, it is essential to consider the overall value for money. Anker products are generally priced slightly higher than RAVPower's, but they often justify the price tag. its superior build quality and advanced features. Anker also offers an 18-month warranty, whereas RAVPower typically provides a 12-month warranty. However, RAVPower offers budget-friendly options. The T deliver excellent charging performance at a more affordable price. With their reliable power and sleek design, Anker has established itself as a leading brand in the portable charger market. Their Power IQ technology ensures that your devices receive the fastest charging speed possible, making them an excellent choice for those who value efficiency. Moreover, Anker's chargers are visually appealing and built to last, thanks to their durable construction and matte finish. RAVPower, on the other hand, offers powerful charging solutions that pack a punch. With their iSmart technology, RAVPower chargers automatically adjust the charging speed to maximize efficiency, ensuring that your devices are quickly fueled up. While their design may not be as streamlined as Anker's, RAVPower chargers are rugged and built to withstand the test of time. When it comes to charging capacity and speed, both Anker and RAVPower offer a wide range of options to suit different needs. Anker's chargers span from 5,000 mAh to an impressive 26,800 mAh, ensuring that you have enough power to keep your devices running for extended periods. Their PowerCore series, in particular, provides multiple charges for smartphones and tablets. Additionally, Anker chargers equipped with power delivery technology can even charge laptops and other power-hungry devices. RAVPower also offers chargers with varying capacities, ensuring that there is something for everyone. Their ACE series is known for its high-capacity chargers, perfect for those who need to charge multiple devices at once or go on extended trips. RAVPower chargers also deliver impressive charging speed, allowing for quick top-ups on the go. In terms of features and compatibility, both Anker and RAVPower have taken user needs into account. Anker chargers often come with innovative features like pass-through charging, LED power indicators, and multiple USB ports. Some models even have built-in flashlights, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. RAVPower chargers are also packed with useful features. Many models incorporate built-in safety measures to protect against overcharging and short-circuiting. LED indicator lights and a power button add to the user experience. Both brands ensure compatibility with various devices, including smartphones, tablets, cameras, and more. Considering value for money, Anker and RAVPower have their own advantages. Anker products are generally priced slightly higher, but their superior build quality and advanced features often justify cost. Anker also offers an 18-month warranty, providing peace of mind to customers. On the other hand, RAVPower offers budget-friendly options that deliver excellent charging performance at a more affordable price.